Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we are unboxing the Tory Burch Monogram Zip Tote. This is the size small, but it also comes in a larger size. We'll take a look at both, comparing the size towards the end of this video, so be sure to stick around. So this tote actually comes wrapped pretty extravagantly. It's better packaged than I've received anything in a very long time. It's very clear that they wanted to protect this bag in transit. It comes with a dust bag, which is actually inside it out so you can still see the handles and not have them be disrupted. That reads Tory Burch on the drawstring. So that is your Tory Burch protective case. You'll see here in just a few moments that the handles are actually very well protected as well. But first, let's take a look at this immaculate fabric. You also see on the bottom that there are the little footies, and of course our Tory emblem, which just honestly looks so extravagant here. Let's take a look at our swing tags so we know exactly what product we're working with, and then let's get into the bag itself. So returning back to our handles, we can see that they are packaged very well with a cardboard of sorts to make sure that they don't bend during transit. That is one of my biggest pet peeves when you buy a brand new tote and the handles come all mangled and just not attractive. So Tory knew that and they have opted to protect that experience. So that is a beautiful touch. Overall, the construction of this purse, the materials that are used are just so sturdy. So giving it our first unzip, I just love the sound of that. Let's take a look at what's inside. So this purse came again with some other construction to keep it protected. We'll take a look at that in a second. But first we can see that we actually included a little wristlet here, which for this price point is again pretty extravagant. So Tory really pulled out all the bells and whistles with this piece. Now let's go ahead and try and take out all of this protective stuffing. So they included this very constructed tote bag shape preserver, call it. It goes around the perimeter and it's underneath the pouch, the back pouch. So it is very sturdy, but it's kind of hard to remove. Nonetheless, I think we might hold on to that for storage. Taking a look back inside our bag, we can see that there is a pouch connected along the perimeter of the bag, which is great for your valuables or those things that you want to know exactly where they are. You don't want to fish around the wristlet, things like that. So there are two sizes of this bag and they're very similar, but they are also very different. We'll try these both on so you can see them live a little bit later. To get an initial size comparison, however, I did try to nest the bags inside each other, so you can check that out here. Okay, so first let's try on the small tote bag, the star of our show today. You can see this bag is neither big nor small. It would definitely fit an iPad or a notebook, so it's more of an everyday bag, maybe a nighttime bag if you need to bring a sweater, a scarf, a few other essentials. It kind of reminds me of the Longchamp tote, although it is more structured and sturdy, so maybe even just purchasing an insert to create some organization at the bottom would be so helpful. So I'll link one of those below that I've used previously. Now getting into our size comparison. We do have a full review of the smaller tote bag on our channel, so be sure to check that out. But if we do want to see them side to side, we can see that the handles, as we saw, were the same length. So the bag opening is going to drop at the same level, but you do see that they do have different depths. Of course, when we put them side to side, you can also see that the shape is a little different. The larger tote has more of a V shape, while the smaller tote has more of a square shape on the sides. Which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.